Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain ElevenLabs Studio 3.0 in a very simple way, so even beginners can understand and start using it easily. So what is ElevenLabs Studio 3.0? It is an AI-powered tool that converts your written text into realistic human-like voice. This means you can create voiceovers for YouTube videos, Reels, or any content without recording your own voice. Now let's understand how it works. First, you need to log in to ElevenLabs. After logging in, you will see the dashboard. From there, go to the Studio section where you can create your project. Next, click on New Project and give it a name. This helps you organize your work. After that, paste your script into the text box. Make sure your script is clear and properly written, because the AI reads exactly what you write. Now comes an important step: choosing the voice. ElevenLabs provides many voice options. You can select male or female voices, different accents, and even different tones like calm, energetic, or serious. Choose a voice that matches your content style. Then you can adjust settings like stability and clarity. If you want a natural voice, keep the settings balanced. Now click on the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. Listen to it carefully. If you find any mistake, you can edit only that part and regenerate it again. Once everything sounds good, download the audio file. Finally, import the audio into your video editor like CapCut or any editing software you use, and sync it with your visuals. Here's a quick tip: always write your script like you are speaking to someone. This makes the AI voice sound more